Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 37 nautical miles west of Milwaukee to 25 nautical miles west of McHenry, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will impact Milwaukee Harbor, Wind Point, and Kenosha Harbor.